Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Delaney and this is Home by Delaney. I wanted to come on here and share with you a little more a bit about myself. So I am so excited you are here on my channel. You're gonna find tons of cleaning, decorating, and homemaking content and lifestyle content. I strive to just have a cozy and memorable life, and I believe that is through the home. So I love decorating for all seasons and holidays. Currently I am in my 2025 fall decorating series. I also love doing weekly home resets here on my channel to give you the motivation to get your home ready for a new week. And I just love to sprinkle in tons of homemaking and lifestyle here and there, baking, lots of organization, my favorite products, and just to give you as much inspiration as possible. I am a full-time working mom. I have a now 3-year-old boy, and we just had a Bluey birthday party, so exciting, and life is crazy. So I work in the public health field, and we are ramping up for flu season, so I work 40 hours a week, sometimes more, and that means a lot of early mornings and sometimes late evenings. So I am like on the go all the time between dropping our toddler off and just trying to fit in a healthy lifestyle. So I am usually awake around like 5 a.m. every morning and leaving the house by like 6:30. So I like to have a cup of coffee every morning. This is like my non-negotiable. It's definitely like a cozy habit. And then usually around that like 8 to 9 a.m. Kind of time of the day, I'm ready for my second boost of caffeine. And I used to work at Starbucks. I'm a big fan of Starbucks, and that is never gonna stop, but it is expensive, and the calories in some of those drinks, especially my favorite pumpkin spice latte, can make it really difficult to stay on track with health goals and everything. So for something that I can bring to work with me and, you know, have on the go, and also to keep me fuller longer, especially from my like early breakfast time when I first start work till I finally get to eat lunch, I have discovered this is Javvy Protein Coffee, or Profi, and this is amazing. So you literally just mix this with ice water or milk, and it gives you not only your boost of caffeine, but it gives you some protein to help you stay fuller longer, which is going to help you stay on track with your health goals. It has so many different benefits. It has an amazing coffee taste, and it is so easy to use. So for your morning or midday coffee, it is absolutely perfect. Javvy coffee is clean, has only simple ingredients. 1 scoop is only 70 calories, though I know most people use about 2 scoops because 1 scoop is 10 grams of protein. So when you're using the 2 scoops, you're gonna get 20 grams of protein, and that is only 140 calories. Think of that compared to your drink that you're stopping and getting. That's probably somewhere between like 300 to 600 calories. And if you're trying to stay on like a 2,000 calorie daily diet, that is a lot that you can't be, you know, consuming on nutritious foods. This only has the good stuff for your body. It tastes like coffee. There's not like that gross protein aftertaste, which we all know what that tastes like, and that is not my favorite. This also has no artificial sweeteners, no stevia, no nothing like that. It is 100% real coffee, but as you can see, I have like sugar-free syrups and stuff like that I love to add for flavor. And if I'm using like a delicious creamer, I feel a little less guilty when I'm just adding it to this. Everyone is loving protein coffee these days because you can have it and it's helping you minimize your snacking. It's helping you stay on track for your health goals. Most options on the market are packaged with gums and stabilizers, but Javvy is clean and free from all of those additives. Okay, so I got my 8 ounces, 1 cup of water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 scoop. But then of course we're gonna add that 2nd scoop because we want to have all of the protein. So obviously this is what it looks like before you mix it. Now you can use a straw, a spoon, anything like that, but I do have a fancy little frother here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice. Now I want to give it a taste before I add in any creamer or anything like that. Okay, that is actually so good. You absolutely need to try Javvy Coffee, and especially the protein coffee. You will not be disappointed, I promise. So use my link in my description box down below and use code Delaney54415. I'll also have that in my description box for 20% off of your first Javvy order. And happy caffeinating!